Hello everyone, my name is Bisatuk. My topic for the tech talk of business economics and financial analysis is the economics of scale. I am from CSE-D section and my roll number is 20951A05G3. What is economics of scale? Economics of scale are the cost advantages that a business obtains due to expansion. When economists are talking about economics of scale, they are usually talking about internal economics of scale. These are advantages gained by an individual firm, increasing its size, i.e. having larger or more plants. Economies of scale includes efficient production, reduction in promotion costs, spreading risk, cheaper capital, reduction in logistic costs, and buying in bulk. Effects of economies of scale on production cost: it reduces per unit fixed cost as a result of increased production. The fixed cost gets spread over more output than before. It reduces per unit variable cost. This occurs as the expanded scale of production increases, the efficiency of the production increases. This is the graph representing the economies of scale. The average cost per production unit decreases, the output increases. Types of economies of scale: there are two types of economies of scale: internal economies of scale, external economies of scale. Internal economies of scale: lower long run average cost resulting from a firm growing in size. They refer to economies of scale that are unique to a firm. External economies of scale: lower long run average cost resulting from an industry growing in size. They refer to economies of scale faced by an entire industry. Internal economics of scale includes technical economics, specialist capital, purchasing economics, large-scale application of division of labor using specialist manager across the supply chain, financial economics, risk-bearing economics, network economics, and etc. Types of internal economics of scale. There are 7 types of internal economics of scale. Those include buying economics, selling economics, managerial economics, financial economics, technical economics, research and development economics, risk-bearing economics. Buying economics: these are the best known type. Large firms that buy raw materials in bulk and place large orders for capital equipment usually receive discount. This means they paid less for each item purchased. They may receive a better treatment because the suppliers will be anxious to keep such large customers. Selling economics: every part of marketing has a cost, particularly promotional methods such as advertising and running a sales force. Many of these marketing costs are fixed costs, and so business gets larger. It is able to spread the cost of marketing over a wide range of products and sales, cutting the average marketing cost per unit. Managerial economics: as a firm grows, there is a greater potential for managers to specialize in particular tasks. Example: marketing, human resource management, finance, etc. Specialist managers are likely to be more efficient as they possess a high level of expertise, experience, and qualification compared to one person in smaller firm trying to perform all these roles. Financial economics: many small business find it hard to obtain a finance. When they do obtain it, the cost of finance is often quite high. This is because small businesses are perceived as being riskier than large businesses that developed a good track record. Larger firms therefore find it easier to find potential lenders and to raise money at lower interest rates. Technical economics: business with large scale production can use more advanced machinery or use existing machinery more efficiently. This may include using mass production techniques, which are more efficient form of production. A larger firm can also afford to invest in more in research and development. Research and development economics: a large firm can have a research and development department, since running such a department can reduce average cost by developing more efficient methods of production and raise total revenue by developing new products. Risk-bearing economics: larger firms produce a range of products. This enables them to spread risks of trading. If the profitability of one product is produces falls, it can shift its resources to the production of more profitable products. External economics of scale: a skilled labor workforce. A firm can recruit workers who have been trained by other firms in the industry. A good reputation an area can gain reputation for high quality production. Especially suppliers of raw materials and capital goods. When an industry becomes large enough, it becomes worthwhile for other industries called subsidiary industries to set up for providing for the needs of other industries. Specialist services: universities and colleges may run courses for the workers in large industries, and banks and transport firms may provide services specially designed to meet the particular needs of the firm in the industry. Specialist markets: some large industries have specialist selling places and arrangements such as corn exchanges and insurance markets. Improved infrastructure: the growth of industry may encourage a government and a private sector firms to better road links, electricity supplies, build new airports and dock facilities. So here we come to the end of the tech talk. This is the uh, everything about economics of scale and its types, and the different types of internal and external economies. Thank you.